Hello and welcome back to Speak Healthy. Are you looking for a natural way to control your blood sugar levels and aid in weight loss? Look no further. In this video, we will be discussing a morning drink specifically designed for diabetics to help manage blood sugar and support weight loss goals. This simple yet powerful drink can be a game changer in your daily routine. If it's your first time here, please be sure to subscribe to Speak Health for more videos about proper health and improved well-being. Explaining the benefits of this morning drink for diabetics, it offers a range of advantages that can positively impact your health. By incorporating this drink into your morning routine, you can effectively regulate your blood sugar levels, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes. Additionally, the drink can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting a feeling of fullness, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Now let's delve into the key ingredients of this powerful morning drink. Apple cider vinegar, known for its numerous health benefits, plays a significant role in this concoction. It helps lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote weight loss. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, adds a refreshing twist to the drink while supporting digestion and detoxification. Water, the base of the drink, ensures proper hydration and helps flush out toxins from the body. For optimal results, it is essential to consume this morning drink on an empty stomach. This allows the ingredients to be absorbed more effectively, maximizing their benefits. Starting your day with this drink can set a positive tone for the rest of your day, providing you with the energy and nutrients needed to thrive. Let's dive deeper into how this morning drink can stimulate digestion and effectively lower blood sugar levels, offering a holistic approach to managing diabetes and promoting overall health. One of the key components of this drink, apple cider vinegar, plays a crucial role in stimulating digestion by increasing stomach acidity. This boost in acidity enhances the efficiency of enzymes responsible for breaking down food, aiding in better digestion and nutrient absorption. By improving digestion, apple cider vinegar can help alleviate digestive issues and promote gut health, which is essential for overall well-being. Lemon juice, another essential ingredient in the morning drink, provides a significant dose of vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties and its role in collagen production, promoting skin health and wound healing. Antioxidants found in lemon juice help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, supporting overall health and well-being. When it comes to blood sugar management, the impact of this morning drink on insulin levels is noteworthy. By incorporating apple cider vinegar and lemon juice into your daily routine, you can help regulate insulin levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as better insulin control can lead to more stable blood sugar levels and reduced risk of complications associated with the condition. For diabetics, the benefits of this morning drink extend beyond blood sugar control. By supporting digestion, providing essential nutrients, and regulating insulin levels, this drink can be a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Stay tuned to discover how to prepare this potent morning drink and harness its benefits for improved digestion, lower blood sugar levels, and overall well-being. The morning drink's ability to boost metabolism and promote fat burning lies in the synergistic action of its key ingredients. Apple cider vinegar, known for its metabolism-boosting properties, can help increase the body's calorie-burning potential. By enhancing the body's metabolic rate, apple cider vinegar can support weight loss efforts by aiding in the breakdown of fats and carbohydrates for energy. Lemon juice, with its high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties, complements apple cider vinegar's effects on metabolism. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of carnitine, a compound that plays a key role in the body's fat-burning process. Additionally, antioxidants in lemon juice can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which may contribute to weight gain and metabolic dysfunction. When combined, apple cider vinegar and lemon juice work synergistically to enhance weight loss by promoting fat metabolism and supporting overall metabolic function. This dynamic duo can help optimize the body's ability to burn fat efficiently, making it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Scientific evidence and studies have also supported the effects of the morning drink on metabolism and fat burning. Research has shown that apple cider vinegar may help increase fat oxidation, leading to greater calorie expenditure and potential weight loss. Additionally, studies have demonstrated the potential of lemon juice in promoting fat metabolism and supporting weight management. By incorporating this morning drink into your daily routine, you can harness the power of its ingredients to speed up metabolism, enhance fat burning, and support your weight loss journey. Stay tuned to learn how to prepare this potent drink and unlock its benefits for a healthier, more vibrant you. We will now delve into how the morning drink can effectively suppress appetite while emphasizing the importance of dilution to prevent tooth enamel erosion, ensuring a balanced approach to appetite control and dental health. The morning drink's ability to suppress appetite can be attributed to its key ingredients, apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. By consuming the drink before meals, you can potentially curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake, supporting weight management goals. Tooth enamel erosion is a common concern when consuming acidic beverages like the morning drink. Diluting the mixture with water is crucial to protect dental health and prevent enamel erosion. By diluting the drink, you can reduce its acidity and minimize the risk of damage to tooth enamel, ensuring that you can enjoy the appetite, suppressing benefits of the drink without compromising your dental well-being. When preparing the morning drink, consider diluting it with a sufficient amount of water to achieve a balanced acidity level that is gentle on your teeth. This simple step can help safeguard your dental health while still reaping the appetite-suppressing benefits of the drink. It is essential to practice moderation and proper consumption habits when incorporating the morning drink into your routine for long-term benefits. While the drink can aid in appetite control and weight management, it is important to consume it in moderation and alongside a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. By adopting healthy habits and mindful consumption practices, you can maximize the benefits of the morning drink while promoting overall well-being. The morning drink tailored for diabetics offers a myriad of benefits that can positively impact blood sugar control, weight management, and overall health. By incorporating this simple yet potent drink into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps towards improving your well-being and managing diabetes effectively. Recapping the advantages of the morning drink, it serves as a valuable tool in controlling blood sugar levels, thanks to the synergistic action of apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. Additionally, the drink can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism, suppressing appetite, and supporting fat burning. Its rich nutrient content also contributes to overall health and well-being, making it a versatile addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. I urge viewers to take action by trying out the morning drink for themselves and experiencing its transformative effects firsthand. Don't hesitate to subscribe for more health tips and wellness insights to further support your journey towards optimal health. Sharing this video with others who may benefit from the information can also help spread awareness and empower individuals to take charge of their health. Together, let's embrace the power of this morning drink for diabetics and embark on a path towards improved blood sugar control, weight management, and holistic well-being. Cheers to your health and vitality.